Use a wrench to remove the nozzle from the gun. Use a hex key to remove the material block. Remove the gun head chamber. Remove the mixing chamber. Hold one side of the grip with a wrench. Unscrew the mixing chamber with a 14mm wrench. Keep the O-ring on the grip intact. Replace it if damaged. Cleaning the nozzle. Separate the nozzle from its sleeve. Clear the nozzle with a hand drill bit. Replace the O-ring if damaged. Cleaning the mixing chamber. Clear the 3 holes by hand. Make sure all 3 holes are open. Go gently, don't snap the bit inside. Cleaning the material block. 1. Disassemble the material block. First, remove the friction pair. Don't lose or damage the O-ring. Replace it if damaged. Remove the ball valve. Hold the block with an adjustable wrench. Unscrew the ball valve with a wrench. The O-ring at the ball valve joint. Don't lose or damage it. Replace it if damaged. Unscrew the filter valve with a wrench. Take out the filter screen. Don't lose or damage the O-ring. Replace it if damaged. 2. Clean the material block. Clear every hole with a drill bit. Make sure they are clean and open. Wash the filter screen. If it is too dirty, fit a new one. Wash the friction pair. Put the friction pair into its holder. Raise side facing up. Screw the friction pair out. Open the holder. Take out the friction pair sleeve. Clear the friction pair by hand and its sleeve too. The friction pair O-ring must be intact. Just replace it if damaged. Clear the ball valve hole. Blow it clean with an air gun. Light should pass through the hole. Three. Reassemble the material. Install the ball valve. Drop in the spring first. Set the steel ball on the spring. Then fit the ball valve. Hold the block with an adjustable wrench. Tighten the ball valve with a wrench. Fit the filter screen, then tighten it with a wrench. Finally, fit the friction pair. Drop in the spring first. Coat the friction pair with Vaseline, then fit it onto the material block. Tighten with a wrench. Don't over-tighten. Check it after fitting. Press it. It should spring back. That means it is fitted correctly. Cleaning the gun head chamber. 1. Disassemble the gun head chamber. Unscrew the air check valve. Check that the O-ring is intact. Just replace it if damaged. Unscrew the air passage plug screw. 2. Clean and clear. Check the air check valve. Connect the air supply. Open the air switch. If air flows normally, the check valve is fine. If no air comes out, remove the air check valve. Connect the air supply again. Push the air switch open. If air now flows, the check valve is clogged. Just clear it with a drill bit. If there's still no air, disconnect the air switch from the air block connector. If the connector flows air fine. The air switch is clogged. Just fit a new one. Clear the air passage holes. Use a drill bit. Make sure every hole is open. 3. Reassemble the gun head chamber. Fit the air passage plug screw. Fit the air check valve. Drop in the spring first. Set the steel ball on the spring. Then, fit the air check valve. Fit the mixing chamber first. When fitting, make sure it's 2 holes. Sit on the left and right sides. Fit the gun head chamber. Fit the nozzle. Fit the material block. Before fitting, coat the joints with Vaseline. Yongjia Polyurethane. Message us on WhatsApp for machines, spray guns, and spare parts.